Let's test a very specific claim today. Can a completely free, open-source AI model actually outperform expensive premium subscriptions for software development? We are going to build a complete multi-file Flutter application from absolute scratch, and we are going to do it in under 6 minutes using only free tools. Looking at this interface, you can see the dense back-end code running on the left, directly driving the fully functional mobile preview on the right. This is the exact outcome we are aiming for. To follow along with this build, you only need 2 things: a standard PC or Mac and the free Flutter SDK installed on your system. If we can successfully execute this workflow, it proves you no longer need to pay monthly fees to build commercial-grade software. Step 1 is setting up our environment. Navigate to the official developer portal and click the download button for the Z Code IDE. Once you launch the application, you'll see the layout mirrors most popular editors. The navigation panel is on the left, your main editor is in the center, and the integrated terminal sits at the bottom. Next, open the Model Selection menu at the top. Scroll past the standard options and select GLM 5.2. Make sure you choose the version with the 1 million token context window. Now open the Composer tab on the right side of the screen. This reveals the configuration settings for the AI's planning capabilities, including the thinking power slider. Drag that slider to max to ensure the AI handles a complex, multi-file architecture without cutting corners. Allocating maximum thinking power right now ensures the model won't lose track of your instructions halfway through the generation process. Down in your terminal, type Flutter Create Translator app and hit Enter. Wait until you see the green text confirming the process is complete. Go to File, Open Folder, and select a new Translator app directory we just created. While the folder loads, Z Code is working in the background, automatically parsing your entire file tree into the model's active memory. Moving to the prompt window, paste in your product requirements document. Be extremely specific about your UI requests, like asking for a premium, minimal aesthetic with dark mode and a favorites history. Hit Send and take your hands off the keyboard. Do not click anywhere while the model actively plans and writes files. The AI is translating our prompt into functional logic, generating files and writing dark code entirely on its own. Executing a build from a single comprehensive prompt replaces hours of manual scaffolding. Your job here shifts from writing boilerplate to reviewing architecture. Let's review the output. We have a generic material design on the left, next to our GLM generation on the right. Notice the GLM version's refined spacing, balanced typography, and floating action buttons that give a highly professional finish. We can test the live application directly in the preview window. When we type hello, it immediately fetches the correct Hindi translation. Checking our secondary requests, the AI successfully implemented the interactive icon row for audio and clipboard, along with the functioning history sidebar on the right. The fluid layout scales properly when resized, and clicking the toggle at the top right switches the entire UI cleanly into dark mode. We need to inspect the underlying source code to see how it achieved this. Here is the generated theme provider setup. State configurations and asynchronous data fetching are properly separated and heavily commented, resulting in modular, maintainable dark code. A beautiful front-end design simply doesn't hold up in a production environment without a solid back-end architecture supporting it. Let's summarize the metrics. This table breaks down our local workflow against the current industry standards. By running this locally, you gain access to a massive 1 million token context window, natively integrated into a dedicated IDE without paying a premium subscription fee. For developers who need high-tier coding performance without accumulating ongoing API costs, this workflow provides a clear advantage. You can download the Z Code IDE using the links below. Run this test on your own machine and drop your results in the comments. The financial barrier to building premium, functional applications has been removed by this open-source pairing.